The really annoying thing about having friends that snore over at your sleepover. This. You don't want to listen to them. And they're right beside your bed. This is how to fix that. Just grab one of these and then you go